Hello guys, this is Yogita and you're watching English Finishing School. A bag you want to own. Friends, जैसे ही मैंने इस IELTS क्यू कार्ड को देखा, I was so excited to record a video on this. Because bags, a women's style statement and I really love having lots of bags in my wardrobe. तो अगर नॉर्मल ट्रेंड की बात करें तो बैग्स एक इम्पॉर्टेंट यूटिलिटी बन चुके हैं आज के दौर में. मार्केट जाना है तो कैरी बैग चाहिए, ट्रैवल पे जाना है तो बैकपैक चाहिए, गर्ल्स को पार्टी में फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट करना है तो ट्रेंडी स्लिंग बैग चाहिए एंड ऑफिस में जाना है तो लैपटॉप बैग चाहिए. तो कुल मिलाकर बात यह है कि बैग्स लोग ट्रेंड और स्टाइल के लिए भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं और यूटिलिटी के लिए भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो चलिए बात करते हैं आज के इस IELTS क्यू कार्ड के बारे में, अ बैग यू वांट टू ओन. But before we proceed, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel and press the little bell icon which would ring when you would get our latest videos. So friends, let's get started. Bag you want to own. And the cues are, what kind of a bag it is, how much it will cost you, where you want to buy it from and why you want to buy it. Now we'll discuss how to structure this cue card in 1 minute, which you are given in IELTS speaking part 2, and present this cue card in 2 minutes by discussing various vocabulary words and ideas. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं how to develop this cue card. सबसे पहले शुरुआत करेंगे वोकैबुलरी वर्ड टाइप्स ऑफ बैग्स के बारे में. कितने तरह के टाइप्स ऑफ बैग्स अवेलेबल है मार्केट में. देर आर क्लच बैग्स, देर आर स्लिंग बैग्स, देर आर ट्रेवल बैग्स, देर आर सैचल्स, देर आर बैकपैक, देर आर लैपटॉप बैग्स एंड देन यू कैन से देर आर कैरी बैग्स ऑल्सो, देर आर हॉबो बैग्स, देर आर बास्केट बैग्स एंड द लिस्ट गोज एंडलेस. But out of that, which kind of a bag you would like to buy, you have to specify. And then let's talk about brands. कौन से brands of bags are available in the market? For example, Puma, Caprice, Hermes, Michael Kors, Baguette, and again many more. Now you need to decide about yourself whether you are a brand conscious person, quality conscious person, or you want to buy any good bag without any brand which will be of more utility than a trend. So you can talk about, like, if you're a brand conscious person, you can say I'm a brand as well as quality conscious person. I like to buy trendy bags which are having utility also and a style also to carry. Talk about a bag is a symbol. If you are a woman, you can say a bag is a symbol for a women's style statement, like I said in the beginning, right? And then continue to develop your vocabulary about the bag. What kind of a material, किस तरह के मटीरियल का वो बना है, like fox leather, animal leather, cloth, it's made up of silk pattern, it's made up of vaccine, what kind of a material it is used to make that bag. उसके बाद आगे आप बात कर सकते हैं about its quality, space and capacity. The bag has a good capacity, it has various segments, divisions, you can talk about compartments, it has various sections and pockets, and there are separate pockets for these thing and there are separate compartment for this thing. So like that you can talk about its capacity. आगे बात करते हैं इसकी utility, इसकी quality की. You can say it's a complete value for money, it is worth buying. And then how much it is going to cost you. It will cost me around 5,000, 7,000, tell the amount. And why are you waiting for it? Why you want to buy it? Because I need it for my office purpose, I need it for going to the parties. I have many bags which are used in my day-to-day life, but I do not have any bag to carry for the parties whenever I go for these kind of functions, so I need a bag. So you're buying it for what purpose? You have to specify, right? After that, you can also talk about its complete probability that when you are going to get discount on that. You are waiting for a particular time when the company will offer discounts and you will go to the market and buy it for yourself. So this is how you can develop this cue card for 2 minutes. And now at the end of this video, we are going to discuss an interesting and effective model answer for this, which will help you to score a higher bands in IELTS speaking part 2. So let us discuss that now. Bags are an essential utility item in our day-to-day life. We need them for various purposes like office, travel, parties and market. There's a large differentiation of bags in the market in terms of their types and brands. Here, I would like to specify a bag which I wish to buy for myself. A few days back, I was on internet and I came across a stylish laptop bag on an online website. I was indeed excited to see it at the first glance, and I must say its appearance was not deceptive. I decided to get more details about its features and specifications and product review, as I don't believe in hasty decisions in buying. After I got completely satisfied that it's a complete value for money, I plan to buy it. I'm going to buy it next month as I have already spent my pocket money this month on a Bluetooth speaker. I plan to buy it from Amazon online store and it's going to cost me around 6,500 rupees. Its actual cost is 7,500, but I have an Amazon discount voucher of rupees 1,500. This bag has a good capacity, having 4 large size pockets, and each pocket has different compartments to keep various accessories. It's made up of fine fox leather and looks very trendy. I need it for my office purpose as the present bag which I have doesn't have enough space. I'm eagerly waiting to order it and I hope it's going to add elegance as well as comfort in my lifestyle. Thank you.